Namaste, curious travelers. Festival of Lights Diwali is almost here, and I know you must be worried about crowded tourist places. So, here are suggestions on Indian cities full of culture, history, and spirituality.
Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Visit the Meenakshi temple, wander in buzzing bazaars, and feel the rhythm of South Indian life. Orcha, Madhya Pradesh. Perfect to visit Orcha Fort, Betwa River, and sunrise time lapse. Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Known for its fort, temples, and classical music legacy. And the last hidden gem is Bundi in Rajasthan. Discover stepwells, murals, and fairy tale like fort.
So, which one you are adding to your list? Save this reel before you plan your next trip and share it with your friends and family. Wishing you all happy and prosperous Diwali from Travelicious Life. Thank you.